Video 366, Filemob number 6. We're working on getting our engine to save and load to a world map in the web. Let's look at the code we've written in this delta. In the canonic constant section, we have added this section canonic save load enums, or load save, depending on how you want to read it. And these are just monkey wrench macros for misspellings. We are going to further differentiate these constants to say, are we saving or loading from RAM, disk, or the web? We need to further clarify. In the canonic procedure enums section, we have split the constant we made in the previous video into 3 chunks here, and specified whether it is RAM, disk, or web, and given it a unique number. We're going to work up. We're going to start with implementing this, the RAM, then to the hard disk, and then finally to the web. Here is the canonic data section, and we have a lookup table that takes A through Z and maps it to different procedure enums. We've added procedure enums for saving and loading to either RAM or disk here, so D, E, and F, and G, my bad. And then we added the L and S key for our final goal of loading to the web or saving from the web, or I guess saving to the web and loading from the web. And this was just a refactor of this tag. We made this tag shorter because we were running out of column space from our formatting. Here's what we did previously. Here's an updated footnote as to just some notes about database platforms and why we don't want to use Google or Heroku for our database. And some refactors because these tags were too long, so we use these shorter tags to identify the code sections. So if we go here and grab onto this, we're talking about these code sections right here. And then lastly, here's all of our footnotes for this video. And then lastly, here's what we did in this video. You have been here. If you want a longer description, go to this playlist. You can get the source code here. You can email me here. You've been on video number 366. Like, subscribe, send money.